Okay, we've got the eyes all done inside, cut out and shaped, sanded on the outside, so our eyes are going to fit okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take 3 blocks here and glue them together, and those will be our neck pieces that are going to go in here. So we'll get these glued together, let them set overnight, and then we'll sand it down and mount it inside the neck. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you.
We would continue with our pot tribute. This is a song from Nervous Vern and Munchie. We got a little request that we'd like to make. This isn't a joke, it isn't a fake. Don't you see, we really got this pressing need. Has anybody got any weed? Cause we're jonesing like a mother and we're dry as a bone. Can't get our connection on the telephone. So let us repeat, if you missed the point, can anybody front us a joint or 2 or 3? Has anybody got any pot? Reaper is the one thing that we ain't got. It's that green stuff that grows with some seeds in a stem. We really need a shot of that vitamin M. We don't need no acid cause we're getting too old. Don't need no cocaine.
Put that together there, put a clamp on it. Okay, so we'll set this up, let it set, and then we'll sand it down, and then we can mount it. Thanks for watching.